Hello and welcome everybody to our Innovation Week in Berlin 2016. In the following minutes you will see some impressions about our Innovation Week here in Berlin, and I hope that you are going to enjoy that. Have a good day.
What you see here is the idea of a connection, direct connection between a cooktop and the motor control of a cooker hood. So you have a Bluetooth connection between the cooktop and the motor directly. So for example, if you press here, the motor starts. If you select a higher level, the motor starts on a higher speed. Cooktops become connective. For example, here we have the chance to control the cooktop directly on the iPad, and here you have much more possibilities. For example, special functions can be set, bridging can be set, things like that. Traditional user interfaces in cooktops usually have serigraphies on the glass designs. So you need, for any key, you need a printing on the glass ceramic. And we found now the perfect solution for that. So only things that are available at that stage are really lighted up. As soon as I selected the cooking zone, the slider lights up, and now I have the chance to set the power level. Glass ceramic and the temperature makes it very hard to bring displays into a cooktop. So now with the Wave Touch, we found the perfect solution for that. With the LC display technology, especially designed for that, we offer now our customers the chance to bring red or white touch display solutions into a cooktop. All our heating technologies fulfill those standards today as well as in the future. So we give our customers the certainty to use that technology today and in future as well. The new E.G.O Oven touch control platform offers just the right balance between energy efficiency, cost optimization, functionality. So from the standard baking oven user interfaces up to display user interfaces for oven, everything is possible based on the same power board. The Mod 1 is our latest technology for professional use. Professional use at E.G.O is always 30,000 hours of lifetime, so it's really designed for using that technology every day with a lot of hours, so more or less 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This year we offer even a new specialty. The semi-pro induction system can be used with a 6mm class, like you have it in professional circumstances always. E.G.O Matrix induction is what you see here. That's our new induction system that makes it possible to use nearly the complete entire surface of the cooktop. What you see here is our Generation 6 induction. So we're speaking here about a serial circuit technology with an individual coil power of up to 3.7 kilowatt. What we see here is our basic induction 4, so our 4th generation in basic induction. Adasi is an advanced Asian induction, so our solution for the Asian market. Speciality of the Asian market towards European designs is 2 coils not behind each other, 2 coils next to each other. Here we have our 300mm basic 2 solution. 300mm is the pure coil size, so especially for things like in Spain, paella pans. Now we bring in the basic 2, those octa-coil designs as well. So you have the chance of a single coil with a power of up to 3 kilowatt, as well as 2 coils bridged together with a power of 3.7 kilowatt.
Here you can see the E.G.O G5 laundry mainboard platform, which is a flexible system concept where you can control your complete washing machine or dryer. It means you have a mainboard also combined with a user interface, here with also some touch buttons and LEDs already included, so that you can complete control a washing machine or a dryer with this board. Our next generation is the E.G.O G6 laundry mainboard platform with a new controller, which makes it possible to control the machine via an app over a smartphone or a tablet. And also this controller can manage touch technology, means we don't need a separate microcontroller like in the G5 laundry mainboard. Here we have several user interfaces which you can combine with our main boards so that you have complete control for your washing machine or your dryer. Also control this chroma via an app, so I can change here the programs, and I can also press the button and say the machine which kind of program I would like to have, cotton, and the program changed also on the display and on the app. E.G.O is also offering an inverter platform for washing machines and for dryers, and we can also offer for the heat pump dryers a compressor inverter. The E.G.O color sensor detects the color of the clothes which is inside a drum, so he can detect really when you put different kind of color in. The second sensor is the E.G.O Optitech sensor, which is measuring the absolute humidity in the air. This transparent washing machine is showing you all the components which E.G.O can offer for a washing machine. This makes you possible to have all the components out of one customer, so the components are really fitting to each other and are optimized.
We will start with the thick film heating system, so our heating systems to be integrated in circulation pumps. We are using a special kind of technology which basically consists of heating systems that have a very, very low mass, which makes them extremely fast and energy efficient. At the further step, we have developed the so-called E.G.O surface heat control, which adds an additional sensor layer to the layout, which is sensing overheat temperature. In addition to that, we also offer complete circulation pump systems with our elements, of course, then integrated in two basic versions. One as the standalone without an inverter, or also with integrated inverters, as we use also a BLDC motor for the circulation pump, and it has to be driven by an inverter. For the control of BLDC motors in dishwashing, we offer separated inverter boards. They can be either integrated into circulation pumps or also be positioned separately in the dishwasher. This is the E.G.O dishwasher mainboard platform. It basically is the brain, as I tend to say, of a dishwasher. It means we control all needed inputs and output in a high-end dishwasher. With its wide portfolio, E.G.O combines, of course, electronics with actuators and combine them with different kind of user interface technologies to have a full system of dishwasher. E.G.O provides user interface solutions based on Bluetooth for connectivity. So with this simple app over here, we can, for example, change programs, and also we have projection displays for fully integrated machines, which allow to show a status like the program or remaining time on the bottom of the floor. With the E.G.O user interface platform, we have a very flexible system that consists of a modular system of components, using always the same intelligent part of the user interface and only changing satellite boards. So we can have different kind of designs using the same basic components. With the E.G.O Chroma platform, which is also available for dishwashing, we end up in a high quality display without using directly a TFT. Within the E.G.O PureLine user interface technology, we show two concepts over here for high-end dishwashers. First of all, a metal touch-based user interface with piezo sensors where you really can touch on the stainless steel. In addition to that, we show a different concept which has a stainless look but is basically placed based on plastics.